A man should build a beautiful house because it is a statement of vision, legacy, and self-respect. A well-designed home is not just shelter, it reflects the journey you've walked, the discipline you've built, and the future you're preparing for. Every strong man needs a place that restores his strength, inspires his family, and speaks silently of excellence. A beautiful house creates peace after hard work, security for loved ones, and a foundation for generational success. When you build with intention and quality, you're not just raising walls, you're planting a legacy that will outlive you. Pride and fulfillment. A beautiful house gives a deep sense of achievement. It reminds you daily that your hard work has meaning, comfort, and peace of mind. A well-designed home creates calm, rest, and emotional balance after long days of labor. Family stability. A good home strengthens family bonds, provides safety, and becomes a place of love and memories. Legacy for generations. A beautiful house can be passed down, telling your children and grandchildren a story of vision and discipline. Personal identity. Your house reflects who you are, your taste, values, and standards. Increased property value. Beauty adds value. A well-built home appreciates and becomes a strong financial asset. Respect and dignity. Quality home commands respect and represents responsibility and maturity. Inspiration to do more. Living in excellence motivates you to aim higher in other areas of life. Security and confidence. A solid, beautiful home gives a sense of safety and confidence about the future. A place of purpose. Your house can be a center for hospitality, creativity, prayer, planning, and growth. A beautiful house is not luxury, it is a reward for effort, a home for dreams, and a foundation for destiny.